School is underway for Wichita summer school programs. The programs are free for students this summer thanks to federal dollars coming into school districts. Reporter Lily Wu has more on how that money is being spent by Wichita schools.
Classroom learning to enrichment opportunities. Angela Brown is glad to have roughly 65 students from Hamilton and other schools attend summer camp in her building.
Since we haven't had it in a couple of years, it's been really refreshing to see the kids be engaged and involved.
Summer camp at Hamilton Middle School runs all day for 4 weeks. It's free for students and paid for by federal dollars.
Very necessary. They have allowed us to not only address learning loss, but also safety and health. It allowed us to provide the one-to-one technology that we needed when we went to immediate shutdown.
Wichita Public Schools received $262.9 million in what's called Elementary and Secondary School Emergency Relief, or ESSER funds.
An absolute blessing to our school district to be able to not only mitigate the effects, safely reopen schools, maintain operations, but it's also giving us an opportunity to enhance programs.
These COVID relief funds are paying for transportation to enrichment opportunities like the STEM camps at WSU Tech. It's also paying for breakfast and lunch, as well as the staff needed to help kids learn this summer.
This is exactly where it should be used. It should be used on our youth and on educating our kids. Remote learning, yes, we did the best we could, but they missed out on a lot.
Brown hopes ESSER funds will continue to help pay for future summer programs at her school.
School districts had 4,500 students last year and expect the same number this year. Last year it was half day. This year it's a full day of summer school. A final check of the forecast next.